Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that will help you take control of your financial future and achieve your wealth goals. We'll be exploring 5 effective ways to create a powerful financial vision board that will serve as your visual guide to success. Number 1. What is a financial vision board? Before we dive into the ways of creating a financial vision board, let's briefly discuss what it is. A financial vision board is a tool that combines the power of visualization and goal setting to help you manifest your financial dreams. It's like creating a roadmap that will lead you to wealth and abundance. It's a powerful exercise in self-discovery and aligning your values with your financial goals. By visualizing your dreams and desires, you tap into the law of attraction, attracting positive energy and opportunities to fulfill those aspirations. Your financial vision board serves as a daily reminder of what you're working towards, igniting a deep sense of purpose and motivation. As you update your board over time, you'll witness the evolution of your dreams and witness the progress you've made, reinforcing your belief in your ability to achieve success. This practice isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about adopting a growth mindset. Your financial vision board empowers you to think big, set audacious goals, and take actionable steps to transform your vision into reality. When faced with financial challenges or setbacks, your vision board becomes a source of resilience. It reminds you of your why, pushing you to stay focused and determined, even during tough times. Embracing the journey towards financial independence becomes an adventure, and you learn to appreciate the learning experiences along the way. Remember, your financial vision board is a reflection of your unique dreams and passions. It's a personal statement that embodies your values, ambitions, and the legacy you want to leave behind. As you add elements to your board, don't be afraid to dream big and imagine a life of abundance. Each element on your vision board holds significance, representing a tangible goal or an intangible desire. As you curate the images, consider how they align with your values and priorities. Let your intuition guide you, and trust that the right elements will find their place on your board. Creating a financial vision board is an ongoing process. As you grow and evolve, so will your dreams. Review and revise your board regularly to stay aligned with your changing aspirations. Be open to refining your goals, embracing new opportunities, and adjusting your course when necessary. Number 2. Gather inspirational images. Gathering inspirational images for your financial vision board is like painting a vivid picture of your dreams. Take the time to explore various sources, from magazines and books to online platforms and social media. Don't limit yourself to conventional ideas of wealth. Let your imagination run free. When selecting images, go beyond material possessions and include representations of experiences that money can enable, like travel, education, or philanthropy. Capture the essence of what financial success means to you personally. Remember, this is a deeply personal process, so don't be influenced by what others consider success. Your financial vision board is a reflection of your unique journey, values, and passions. As you collect images, consider how they resonate with your emotions. Do they evoke feelings of excitement, joy, or fulfillment? The more emotionally connected you are to the images, the more powerful their impact on your subconscious mind. Feel free to get creative. If you can't find a specific image, consider drawing or sketching it yourself. The act of creating something from your imagination adds a personal touch and a deeper sense of ownership to your vision board. You can also add motivational quotes or affirmations alongside the images. Words have immense power, and the right phrase can inspire and energize you on your path to financial success. Remember that your financial vision board doesn't have to be static. As your dreams evolve or new desires emerge, add or replace images accordingly. The beauty of this process lies in its fluidity, reflecting your growth and evolving aspirations. Creating your financial vision board is a delightful and enlightening experience. It's a moment of clarity, where you establish a tangible connection with your goals and visualize the life you want to live. So, embark on this creative journey, and with every image you add, infuse it with intention and passion. Your financial vision board will become a beacon of inspiration, guiding you towards a future of prosperity and fulfillment. Now, let's move on to explore more steps in our quest to visualize your path to wealth and abundance. Number 3. Use affirmations. Affirmations are like the fuel that propels your financial vision board's manifestation. They work by rewiring your subconscious mind, replacing self-limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts. When you repeat affirmations regularly, you create a mental environment that nurtures growth and success. To craft effective financial affirmations, keep them positive, present tense, and specific. Instead of saying, "I will be debt-free," affirm, "I am debt-free and financially secure." This instills a sense of confidence and conviction in your ability to achieve your goals. Consistency is key. Incorporate a daily practice of reciting your financial affirmations with conviction and emotion. You can do this in front of your vision board, during meditation, or even while commuting. The more you reinforce these positive beliefs, the stronger their impact. Visualizing your affirmations adds an extra layer of potency. Close your eyes, see yourself living your dream life, and feel the emotions associated with that reality. Your mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined, so immerse yourself in this mental exercise. As you progress on your financial journey, don't hesitate to update and expand your affirmations. Aspirations evolve, and so should your affirmations. Let them adapt to your current reality and mirror the path you're on. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. It may take time for your subconscious mind to fully embrace these affirmations. Stay committed to the process, and in due course, you'll notice positive shifts in your thoughts, actions, and ultimately, your financial outcomes. Remember, your affirmations are a personal contract with yourself. Trust in your ability to achieve your financial goals, and know that the seeds you plant in your mind will grow into a reality. Number 4. Organize your vision board. Organizing your financial vision board is an art that allows you to create a coherent and inspiring narrative. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. It's all about finding a structure that aligns with your personality and thought process. If you're a goal-oriented person, consider arranging your images and affirmations in a chronological order that represents your financial journey. Start with your current financial situation and progress towards your long-term goals. This sequential layout serves as a visual reminder of the steps you need to take. On the other hand, a thematic organization might suit you better if you prefer to focus on different aspects of your financial life. Group images and affirmations by categories like savings, investments, career, or giving back. This arrangement allows you to explore the various facets of your financial vision. Another approach is to create a centerpiece, the most significant goal or desire, surrounded by supporting images and affirmations. This technique draws attention to your primary objective while reinforcing the smaller milestones that contribute to its achievement. To enhance the impact of your vision board, consider incorporating colors, symbols, or icons that resonate with you. Colors can evoke emotions, and symbols hold personal meaning, adding depth to your visual representation. Remember that your financial vision board is a dynamic tool. As you review and update it regularly, you may find that reorganizing elements helps you gain new perspectives and insights. Embrace the flexibility to modify your layout as your vision evolves. The key is to create a visual masterpiece that excites and inspires you every time you glance at it. Your financial vision board should be a reflection of your unique journey, tailored to motivate and guide you towards your goals. In the next segment, we'll explore the importance of including specific numbers on your vision board and how it brings clarity to your financial aspirations. So, stay with us as we continue our quest to visualize your path to wealth and abundance. Number 5. Include specific numbers. Incorporating specific numbers on your financial vision board adds a powerful layer of clarity and focus. Numbers are like signposts along your financial journey, guiding you towards your destination with precision. When you put exact figures on your board, such as saving $10,000 or paying off a specific debt amount, you transform abstract goals into concrete objectives. Your mind can grasp these tangible targets, making them more attainable and realistic. Specific numbers create a sense of accountability and measurement. As you progress, you can track your achievements and celebrate each milestone reached. This sense of accomplishment reinforces your belief in your ability to reach your ultimate financial goals. Additionally, specific numbers activate the reticular activating system (RAS) in your brain, which filters information and focuses on what's relevant to you. By setting clear figures on your vision board, you signal to your subconscious mind that these goals are essential and deserve your attention. To make the most of this technique, break down larger goals into smaller, achievable steps. For example, if your goal is to invest $50,000, create sub-goals like saving $5,000 every quarter. This makes the process less overwhelming and keeps you motivated throughout the journey. Remember, your financial vision board is a dynamic representation of your aspirations. As you achieve goals, replace old numbers with new ones to keep the momentum going. This constant evolution reflects your growth and adaptability in pursuit of financial success. By incorporating specific numbers on your financial vision board, you transform it into a roadmap with clear directions. It's like setting coordinates on your GPS, guiding you towards the exact destination of financial abundance and prosperity. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive guide on creating a powerful financial vision board. Remember, it all starts with financial vision and having the determination to bring your vision to life. Best of luck on your journey to financial success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, share this video with family and friends. See you in the next one.